All right. So we have this new Frontloop Steps 9 project. And it looks like this. And we're going to make it in Tailwind from scratch using all Tailwind vanilla CSS. All right. So we have wallets. It looks like some type of pay shopping cart. All right. And then the interactions are pretty simple. Some scroll, some overlay. What was it? A hover. Yeah, we have a hover outline and some plus minus buttons. So we're gonna make it the specs exactly like this. All right. So I'm gonna take this HTML file, throw it in there. We don't need the CSS link. I'll just keep the font there for now because why not? Save it. What do we have so far? Nothing. All right. So what I did with the images, these, that they come with the Frontloop Step 9, I just don't like hosting images. So, and the only CSS I'm going to have is background images, hopefully. And you can see that I just took the base64 URL and then I just threw it in there. So for the icon plus and minus and Visa and Maestro, whatever that is, and the MasterCard. So if you see, if you want to see what it looks like if I do icon MasterCard, you can kind of see the MasterCard there. Let me do padding 32 there. So you can't see it all. Let me height 10. Okay, width 10. Well, whatever, we'll figure it out later. But actually, with all right, anyways, we'll figure it out later. But you can see how we get it. All right, so let's start with the container. Or actually, let's start with the body. So the body is yellow stuff. And let's find the colors in Tailwind. Colors. And yellow, I'm going to say it's actually orange. Let's see, we got orange, yellow. It's kind of like a mix of both of those. Yellow dark, yellow base. I think it's closer to, I'll just do orange light, BG orange light. All right, so the body class equals BG orange light. I don't like that. Let's try yellow. Yellow's better. All right, so that's the body. Now let's make the container. Div class equals container, and then we want the margin to automatically resize on the x-axis, so horizontal, left and right. That's what that means. MX auto, and that's all we need there. So you don't see the container yet because it's not there. Let's see, this should be somewhere in the middle. It's not in the middle, but okay. Now we have, let's say, how long is this? 800 pixels. So let's make it a 4 grid, 4 flex box width. Give this one 1. Actually, let's make it a 3 grid. Give this 1, so that's like 300 increment. So that's all right. So let's just do the first. Oops. Let's do the first side. The first side is gonna be class Well, the container we're going to want it to be flex, and then we're also going to want it to be flex row, or actually flex call for anything. Actually, flex row for anything that's medium screen and above, and then for smaller screens, do flex call. Okay. Back to this. So you, my friend, will be width of 1 out of 3, and the other one on the right side will be width of 2 out of 3, unless we're in small, then we're going to have it as, well, actually keep that 2 out of 3. This one will make 2 out of 3 if it's small. So then that means when we're small, it's going to go down a level. Okay, so if I go to small size, those F should stack. Yeah. But then if I go bigger, they unstack. But if I go really tiny small, they are not stacked anymore. And that kind of makes me mad. So let's do it the other way around. Let's do, usually it's going to be 2 out of 3, and then anything over MD is 1, medium is 1 out of 3, and it's width dash, and then this one will usually be 1 out of 2 out of 3 as well. Then anything that's medium or above, we're going to do 2 out of 3. So that should fix that issue. So now small should go down, and anything below small should also be, hey, why you gotta do that? 3 out of 3. Oh, I know why. Because I have this as flex row, so it's going to be flex column always, unless it's medium size, then we'll make it flex row. Okay, so now when I go down, it should stack, and then let's stay stacked. Aha! And then go back to not stacked. I don't know why I used F, but if you know a little CSS, you get the idea. Alright, so now let's make this thing here. So we want the wallet, the background, so BG gray, some sort of gray. Let's do gray light, gray lighter. Gray lighter. Cool. And then the next one is, I think it's just white. BG white. So now this should stack. Okay, cool. Why is the MX auto not working? It's weird. Let's check it out. Container. MX auto. Oh, need that padding. Why is there no padding on the right? Okay, that's not a big deal right now. Padding for PX padding. PX padding 4 on each side. Why is that? So if I inspect that, where is this extra stuff coming from? Is it from my, oh, okay, maybe it's from minimize. Okay, maybe it's from this. What if I just did flex 1? Flex 1. Yeah, that fixed it. Alright, so I was basically saying only make it 33% or 66% of the width. Now I'm saying it's the whole width. Okay, now we're cool. We Gucci. Alright, so we got that. So now let's do some stuff. So we got the header. I'll just call it header. Well, I guess I'm not calling it anything. It's Tailwind. So class, we got some padding on the whole thing. So actually, this container, we need a container of padding on the top, but not the bottom. Well, I guess the padding does, the bottom does have it. Okay. So let's just do P4 all around. So now this is our container of things. Same thing here. We want to stay consistent. Container. Okay. Let's start. So we're going to do div class equals text bold. My wallet. No. My wallet. And then we have a plus there. So really, can I just align that to the right? Yeah, I could probably do that. So I'll align this a little, keep that there. My wallets. And, or maybe I can inline block. Let's try this. No. Then we need to have the container there. Let's see. Let's see how the scroll works. Okay, so the scroll is just one. Span class equals icon plus. See what happens. Span. P4. Okay. What if I align right? Oh. Align text right. Well, I guess it's not text, it's background. Okay, so I don't know if this is gonna work, but try it. Background right. Yeah. So maybe I have to, and if I do that, the plus is over here though. I don't want to do background right. Alright, so I didn't want to do this, so I'm going to have to do this. To make this a, I'm going to have to make a container for this up here. Another container, so we can have a flex box, flex. Fix it later. End the flex, and then let's do another div of Okay. P1. No. P4. Okay, P1. P2. P2 satisfactory. Okay. So I'm going to move that P2, the icon. Well, first of all, this is a flex. And we want to keep this as a, so if we make this responsive, this will be, stay exactly where it is. So the only reason why I'm doing a flex is so I can justify the content. Justify content, and what I'm going to do is space between, justify between, flex, justify between, and that should be all I need. Yep, so you saw that? So the plus sign moved. Not there. Oops, wrong area. So when I do justify between, it's basically going to take all the space in between the two elements and move it as far as possible to the right. So then if I do this, see how it's getting closer and closer and closer and closer and farther and farther and farther and farther. Now, is that how we want it? Yeah, but maybe we don't have enough padding here, so let's do padding 10. Okay, no. Padding 4. Okay, so padding X is 4. Padding, no, padding X is not 4. Padding X is more like, go back up. Padding X is more like 10. Padding Y is like 5. Yeah, that's better. So X-axis, we got 10 to get that big gap like we have here. And then the Y is, I guess, more. The Y is, I don't think 8 works. Yeah, it does. Let's just do 8. Okay. While we're at it, let me move this. So we have some space here. Let me move that. So we'll go to the body and let's do padding Y as 10. Okay. Well, also, while we're at this, let's put some shadow here at the bottom. You see the shadow? So padding Y will be, or I mean, shadow for the container will be shadow LG, I think. Yeah. Now I got that shadow, boys. Oh, what's this? This shouldn't be here. Why is this here? Is it from padding? This? No. Padding 4, maybe it's from this. Yeah, it was from that. Alright, we don't need padding there. But why is this half and half? It shouldn't be half, it should be 1/3 here. Flex 1/3, flex 2. Oh, that's why, because I have to have width 2/3. Fix yourself. Okay. What if I did 1/5? 2/5. With 1. With 1. Okay, maybe that's gonna work. So if I change this to 2/5 and Mr. 3/5. But now I broke. Let's see. Block. Flexbox. Flex. Wrap. Maybe. Don't wrap. Wrap normally. Flex wrap. With 2/5. Flex wrap. Okay. All right, cool. Kind of solved it for me. All right, flex wrap. Yeah, boys. All right, flex column, flex wrap. Boys and girls. Sorry. Let's go to back to here. All right, so I got my wallets. The font is different color size. Text color. I mean, it's a different color, same size. Text color, so it's text. Okay, let's go back to color. Color, I'm gonna say it's like a dark purple. Purple darkest. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Text purple darkest. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so the plus sign is fine. Might be a little too thick, but it's the one. Actually, let's see if I can change it real quick. Height 10. No. Width 10. No. Alright, just leave it. Alright, so now we have this section with the cards. So I'm going to make it within this same, not the flex part, but right under it. So div class equals overflow hidden, because we want that scroll effect as we see here. So we have to hide the overflow. Okay, I already did that. So overflow dash hidden, okay. And then we're going to overflow. Yeah, that's fine. All right, overflow hidden. It's fine for now, at least. All right, why is there a white space right there? Did I break something? I gone and broke something. Oh, let's see if that fixes it. Yeah. All right, so now we're going to have, inside this overflow hidden, we're going to have I don't even know. All right, first let's just make the cards. So div class equals container, maybe. And inside of that container, we're going to have div class equals icon visa do p2. Okay, height 10. Okay, height 1. Okay, background. Where's background? Background. I'm the back loaded up with things and knickknacks too. Anything that you might want, I've got inside for you. Hey, background. Doesn't work. What if I did this? Background. I'm the one. Object contain. No dice. Let me go see a different project I worked on. This one, I think. What did I do here? I did rounded full, line middle, PT. Icon visa. Great. Fucking great. Background size. But why? Contain. Alright, so maybe I have to modify the CSS. Does this work? No. CSS background size. CSS tricks background size. Background size. Let's try this. P4. Okay. Nothing. Let me try putting it under here. Okay, that worked. So I had to put it under, so let's do 10% Visa. Okay. Let's try 20%. That's pretty spot on. That's 60 wide, 25 high. And this is 60 wide, 25 high. Perfect. So let's put it on the other one so we don't have to worry about it later. Background size. And you, brother. Background size. Right. So we got that. And now we want to make this card type thing. So Why is this in the middle? Is it because of this? No. Alright, well, it doesn't really matter because I can align. No, I can't do that actually. I don't even need it to be a container really. Minimize. No. Minimize. I want my CSS. Alright, where was I? Let's make this how do we make a card? Cards. So I kind of want this thing going on. Try that. Dun. BG white. Okay, there's my card. Rounded for the corners. No. Rounded corners. Rounded corners. Rounded. I want minimal rounding. Let's do rounded small. Right here. Can't really see it because there's no outline, but I got it. I don't know why I put it here. Alright, so align left's not working out for me. What if I actually did negative margin right of 4? If I did margin right 4? You suck. Alright. Oh, it's because there's padding 4 right there. I don't want padding 4, we want padding 1. Why is it left and right though? Oh, because padding X is. Yeah, we don't need this. No. Padding 4 is for the logo. Let's just do the rest of the stuff. So we got the card number, class equals text gray lighter. Gray spelled with an E in Tailwind. Div. Give that a padding of 1. Stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 5, 6, 2. 2 light. So do light. Padding gray normal. Padding gray dark. There we go. All right. So then the text is vertical. Center. Text. Vertical alignment. Vertical align middle. Bottom. Hey, why aren't you aligning? Whatever. So inside of this div, let's do another div and call it the same thing. Class equals valid through 12-19, let's say. We in the future. Okay, so we want font small. Not font small. Font size. Text access. Okay, not bad. Why is this? Take away that padding. See what happens. Yeah, it's better. It's actually pretty good. Okay. Let's just make the text a little bit smaller. Up here. We don't need that line bottom. Text small. Okay, cool. Padding bottom is going to be 2. Margin bottom. Why is it doing the padding on the other? Oh. Oh. Because I need my own div for here. Because I made a div for just this section. I don't want to do that. Alright, that's close enough. I don't feel like messing with that. Alright, so class visa and oh, I know why the visa is like that. Because the visa is centered. So let's do left. Yeah, see that? Went from center to, pay attention to this area, center to left. All right. Visa padding 4. Padding 2. Okay. But then this padding went away, so padding 2. No. Let's just do padding Y2. Do padding top of 4. Yeah, better. Why does this whole thing have padding X? Is not supposed to be that big. 1. Okay, so we got it almost exact. Padding 2 on X. Cool, cool. Very cool. I think the gray is a little darker, but it's fine. All right, so this goes all the way to the X here. And the only thing that I'm missing really is the padding between here and there. So let's just throw the padding on. So you can see that there's padding here and there, which is 60 pixels. And then there's padding here and there, which is also 60. So I'm just gonna put the padding at the top of this, at the top of each card. Makes it easier that way. Visa, where are you? Okay, here's the card, and we're gonna do padding of Y. Why didn't it work? Padding Y-axis of 4, but didn't do anything to this. Oh, that's why, because I need to padding Y here before. Yeah, there you go. So how many pixels is that? How is that 80? Oh, it's 40. Let's do padding 5. Is that good? I don't think there's a padding 6. Oh yeah, there is. 46. Oh, padding 7. Ah, there is no 7. All right, let's go check out padding. P dash padding 6, and then there's 8. Let's try 8. Yeah, pretty close. All right, so padding 8 it is. But I don't like how this is skinnier than this one, so let's go back up here and change that from 2 out of 5 to 1 and 4. Okay, no, that's too small. 3, 2. All right, it's better, but maybe it's because this container needs more padding. So py of 20. Oh, I meant px. 20 is good too. Px of 20. No. What else we got? 24. Let's go 32. 32. Ah. Better. I guess the visa could be a little bigger. Yeah. Okay. Ah, there's a shadow too. So shadow, but it's not a big shadow. So shadow, box shadows. Let's do shadow MD. Shadow MD on the card. Where's my card at? From the front to back. Can you believe that? Shadow MD. No, that's not the card. This is the card. No, I need less of a shadow. And shadow just regular. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Outline. I said outline. All right, this button has one. I'll just use this. All right, outline is probably border. So border blue. So this one will be border gray. Border gray. Can't tell if that did anything or not. Let's go back to blue and see if it looks blue. No. Why you do nothing? Oh, because I've put border in front of it. Duh. Border blue. Alright. Blue is pretty sweet, but gray. Cool. Gray lighter. Actually, gray light because it's lighter. And lighter. No, let's go back to light. Alright, gray light, border. Sticking with it. Alright, so now I'm going to do this, and I'm going to copy this section and paste it right there, because now we have Another Visa. Oh, what happened to my pixel of 60? I spent so much time on that PY of 60, and I'm an idiot because I put it in the wrong spot. Oh, I took it away from the wrong spot too. PY of 8. Okay, you need to be here, brother man. So now they should look. Oh, okay. That's why I put it there. MY? Yeah, MY. Margin. Let's get it on. All right, got my margin, boys. So I got my Visa. And I have my other card and my other card. Now we have our 3 cards. Where's this icon Visa coming from? Whoa, brother man. No. Oh. I got it. So I'm going to change icon Visa for the second one. Change it to MasterCard. And it's probably going to be centered. Yeah, it's centered. And let's change the next one to, I hope I spell this right, but MAESTRO. Yeah, got him. All right. So Visa, if you remember, I changed it to from center to left. So we're going to do the same thing for Mastro. Center is going to be left. Watch it change. Oh, that's MasterCard. And we're going to make it 30%. All right, MasterCard messed up. Background, position. Size. Background size. Oh, wait. Cover. What if I did this? Okay, it doesn't work. Whatever, it's good enough. All right, so MasterCard, and then Mastro. Left and 30. Same problem. Whatever. We're not going to spend too much time on it. Okay. Okay. So let's just change some of the text real quick. Which one is this? Mastro. Eight three three five. 8335. I don't know. 0722. I don't even know why I looked back on that. 8254, whatever. 0626. All right. Valid through smaller than that. Let's see. No, it's okay. All right, so overflow. What to do, my friend, with you? Overflow hidden. Okay. Overflow Y scroll. Why you no work? Let's see what else we got. Tailwind. And let's check out this. So there's a scroll here. Overflow Y. So then the scroll is in a separate. Okay. So where's overflow hidden? Is there an overflow hidden? Overflow Y scroll. What if I just did overflow Y scroll? Okay. But how do I get the overflow to work? Overflow hidden. What does that mean? Oh. Try that. So we have overflow Y scroll. The overflow hidden there. Overflow hidden on that one. And on this one. Whatever. Let's see what we got going on. Let's get it on. Do I need to make this container? I don't know. All right, so the next side is going to be current balance. We also want to put that on the header. Something. So inside of this is so annoying. .729.00. We're going to span this because span. And then class flex row, justify between, bam. So same concept that we used over here for justify between. So anyways, let's find, we used padding of py of 8 and a px of 8. So let's stay consistent with that. What is P4 doing there? May nobody know. All right, PX and PY are 10 and 8. So we got that going for us. Flex row. Hey. Okay. 729. Then we're gonna have another div. Right. So we got that. Below it, and a different div. Div class equals something. Div. Okay, and then we're going to have this line. So bottom border. Oh, I guess it's not a bottom border, it's just a border. Class border. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's not bad. Well, let's just do bottom. So what if I did -b? Does that work? Yeah. So now I have that bottom thing. All right, pretty spot on, pretty spot on. So let's make this a py. Let's see, is it equal with here? Let's say 80, and then here is about 80. Yeah, so we'll do py padding of, let's see what was it? I mean, 8 works. Dude. Why are you tripping on my py8? Alright. That's too much. No. It's pretty good. Let's do 6. Alright, it looks like it's too much, but I guess it's not. Alright, so yeah, might be a little too much. 5. Because I want to line up this border with the first visa icon. 4. Alright, that's better, I guess. Okay, so we have that. So now let's do div for the stuff below it. Class equals something and div. So that div is this right here. And before we do anything, let's give it, oh, it already has that. Okay. So inside of that class, we're going to make this, we need module, we need our spaces here. Is this a flex? Let's see, flex 1, 2, 3. We have the icon, this and that. Let me come back to current balance actually. What was it? Text purple. Text bold, text purple darkest. Alright, it's fine. And then, so text black is actually the most bold you can get. Okay. Bold. Oh, font black. Why is text, oh, I guess text bold doesn't even work. Okay, I don't need it then. Let's get it on. Font black. Okay. Now we're going to superscript the zeros. Is there such a thing? Is super, no. I know there's uppercase, so why isn't there superscript? Normal case. Okay, so what about text align? Text align, vertical alignment. Align top. I don't think that's gonna work, but yeah, it's not gonna work. Anyways, text access. space. Oh, it did work. Sweet. Align text tab. Oh, okay. Let's see what that does. Same thing. I guess it doesn't really matter. I mean, it does, but okay. So it did that. So let's actually come back down here. I'm going to make this a flex box right here. This component here will be flex with 3 rows. And let's see how we're going to do that. So we have this component, and inside of it, we're going to make another div. We're going to make it a flex row. So then that flex right there, flex row is for this component. And then we're going to do a div. So this is for the plus sign, or minus sign, icon minus div. Where's my icon minus? Padding 2. There's my minus, boys. All right, so I got that. And then next one is going to be, it's just going to have padding of padding left only of say 4. And there's no icon anymore. Oh shit. No, I can make it a div. So it's gonna be a div inside of a div. Alright, Apple something. And then let's make the subtext div class. I'm not sure yet. Div. Electronics. Great. Alright, so let's do text XS font thin. Yeah, font thin. Can I go any thinner than thin? I think it's hairline. Hairline. Whatever, that's fine. And then we're gonna make the text also gray. Gray dark. Gray is fine. Okay. And then we're going to do the next one, which is here. Div. This is the price. The price is 650.00. Span that boy. Span. All right. So there's my span. There's my price. And let's take whatever I did up here. Put it there. Okay, that works. And let's do text indigo. Oh, oops. Let's make all of it text indigo. Okay, now let's do font bold. Or font black, actually. Yeah. Font black. Text indigo lighter. Maybe. Actually, light. Lighter. No, light was good. All right, so it's pretty solid. Let's add a rounded. So I forgot how to do that, but if we go to alert, yeah, how do they do that? So BG, is it a BG? Is this a BG? No, it's just where's new? So they have MR, font bold, PY, uppercase, rounded full. Let's try that on the minus. Rounded full. And then let's see what it looks like with the border. Okay, not bad. Let's do H10, H1. Haha, H2. Come on, don't fail me now. Okay, so H1, and then what about with 1? You suck. What about margin 2? No. Damn. The minus sign, H1. All right, well, I guess I could do this. Background size 50%. Okay, so that works. Not really 50, it's more 60. 70. Yeah, background size 70%. So we'll do to the plus sign too. So that means it's going to modify this over here. But that's what we want on the left side because it's also smaller there. Oh, we don't want it that small though. Alright, I'm going to cheat. Background plus wallet and background plus price. Actually, I don't feel like modifying the other rules, so I'll just keep it background plus. Okay, so let's go back down to the plus sign. Here. And so change it to icon. Oh yeah, that's for when I get to the plus. Okay, so background plus price. All right, so now let's flex this stuff. So flex is going to be content in between, I think. Flex me. Align items? No. Align content? No. Align self? No. Justify content. So if I wanted justify display. Okay. Let's see if this works. All right, so flex row just if I start. No, that's not gonna work. Space between. Space between. Okay, it works, but then I want this apple over here. Oh, I could do this. Flex initial. Oh, I have to put a flex box inside a flex box. Nested flex boxes. No, it's not gonna work. Maybe it will. All right, Apple, iPhone 7, 128 GB. Let's change this negative margin left to 4. Anything happen? What about margin left just to 4? Oh, something did happen. Negative margin left to 8. Okay, 10. Okay. 20. Not bad. 12. Alright, I can live with 12. This font actually has to be smaller. Alright, so let's find this. Then we're going to do font SM. Oh, I meant text. Text. Smaller than that. Okay, but then this went away. Oh. Alright, this is fine. Let's put back to 20. There, 15. No. 12. Alright. Cool. Looking good. Alright, so this class doesn't really need anything. This border should already have a PY of 4, a padding of 4, so why is there no padding down there? Right there. There should be padding right here. I'll just do PT of 4 here. Okay, maybe I'll do it 6. Maybe I'll do 8. Okay, 8's good. Okay. And then I'm going to change electronics to just some words. Electronics. Number 323 434 424-12 July 2018. Okay, pretty good. Alright, so now I'm going to take this, hey, oh yeah, I'm gonna take this, paste it in how many times? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. But then we also have padding on the padding there. Okay, that's annoying. So let me just undo all those. All right. So instead of putting PT there, let's put it on the actual module. So then if I was to copy, paste a new one, we're good. Okay. We got a plus sign in the second one. Plus sign, everybody plus sign. All through the town. Plus sign, everybody plus sign, plus sign. Plus sign. Plus, watch the second one change. Oh, third one. All right, whatever. Still looks good. All right, so, and then that one happened to be green, so green. I don't know what color that is. Color. That would be green lighter. Close enough. So text green lighter. Ah, it's too light. Let's just do regular green. Base green. All right. So then there's that, and then we're doing funds added. Funds added. Payment. June. All right. 764. All right. I don't feel like doing the rest, so pretty much done. Let's put some hovers on the cards that I forgot. Those are cards, yeah. So hover. What happens when you hover? Hover. We'll go after. Yeah, I'll just put it at the end. Hover border purple. I want to make the border thicker. So border width. Border width. Border all. Border width is, let's just do 2. Hover border 2. No. How do I do that? Border side width. So I don't need the side. So maybe 2 is just too small where I can't see it. Let's do 8. Okay. What if I just did that? Okay. So annoying. Alright, doesn't matter. Doesn't work. What if I did that? Breaks. Alright, border purple. Sweet, whatever. On hover, and then this is also border on hover, but this already has the border of purple. Oh, yeah. Hover, hover, hover. Great, cool. All right, what else did we have? Overflow. So I don't know how to do overflow, or I don't know why it's not working. So maybe, what about container? Adding style equals width, no, height 40%. All right, I'm gonna figure out this overflow and I'll get back to you guys in a second. All right, and we're back. So I figured it out. It's something we have to add with Tailwind is you gotta define your width and height, or maybe just height. But if I do something like this, style equals width height, it's too much, it's too little. Let's do auto. Does auto work? Yeah. Width is auto. Okay. Not cool. Not cool. Okay, what if I did? Okay, I guess I didn't figure it out, but I'm going to. Style there. Oh. Okay, what if the height was 200? Overflow hidden. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We didn't break the page. Okay. Overflow hidden. Okay, what if I, and then what if I, where's my scroll? Where's overflow? All right, overflow scroll. Overflow scroll. I need it right here. Damn, didn't work. Here. I don't think I put it there. It has to be here. Okay, so I hid the overflow, but then it's not working. Overflow hidden. Okay. So this just works with overflow scroll. Oh. No, it's not working now. So how is this one being done? No. Take me to your parent. Alright, so you got the overflow scroll on that boy. But then you also have overflow hidden, the one above it. Okay. Then you have PY and flags. And you have overflow hidden. So if I take all this, oh. So anyway, let's go back to here. Inspect. Overflow. So the parents is overflow hidden. Cool. Well, what is up? Is that not working on me? Overflow hidden. If I delete this. Probably won't work, but I mean, this has no period. Okay, let's just try that. Flex one. I mean, this works, but I want to separate them. Yeah. Ask yourself sometimes, is it really worth it? What if I took... Oh, I got it. What's up? What's up? Will it still work if I delete this? It works. It works. But 500 pixels? Okay, I could live with that. And so let's take this and put it here. No. Oh, like that. Okay, so why does it work there? Not on the left side. Oh, because there's nothing to scroll on the left side. Okay, so if I was to make it height of 4, height of 4. Ah, got him. Okay, you could probably do this in the container. Where's the container? Here. Instead of having to do it in both spots. No. Well, actually, with auto. No. Alright. So let's put them back into there. Don't ask me why it does that. It just does. Now let's see what happens. Okay. So maybe I want it to be overflow X. And overflow Y when it's medium or bigger. Okay, so it's gonna be an issue when it's responsive. So flex column on medium or bigger. What is actually flex row? Overflow X auto. Alright, forget it. We did it. Awesome. It's halfway responsive. We're happy. Alright. That's how I do it in Tailwind. Have a great day. Maybe I'll do the next one, step 10, hopefully.